Hey there, Bricksters and Lego friends. I am here with yet another haul, and today's haul was pretty cool. All kinds of good stuff. So let's just get right into it, shall we? Alright, so we are back. I got the bag split open, and it looks like all the parts and pieces that we need for that. Geez, everything is, pad printed. All the parts are there. There's the big chest piece. So this looks pretty good. The true test will be when it goes together to see how well things clutch together. The instructions that came are a nice glossy paper, printed very well. There's the cape for them. So this was not bad at all. This is just a generic Lego. It's not Lepin or anything like that. I don't know who it was one of the sellers that had it on for like selling it regularly for like 11 bucks Canadian and free shipping. So it came to like $12 or $13, I think, when it was all said and done with the everything. So it might have been $11.83 or something, not 12, I can't remember, but it was in around the $12 mark. So you can't beat that. For me to be able just to put it on the display shelf with all my other Bobas, I'm very happy. And there's my helper. She just took off, and I'm going to show you my display shelf now. Oh, this is where he's going to go, right here next to the Django Bionicle figure. So we're going to begin building Boba Fett. I think it's 75533 in the Lego numbers. Now this is the clone one. This is not the actual Lego set. However, we're going to see how darn good the pieces are and clutching power and all that into this set here. And I'm looking at it and it's pretty darn good already. Just the part. They have a bag numbered 325, and that's 2. And this is 3251. And the pad printing on these are just excellent. It's as good or even maybe better than Lego's pad printing. The printing is it's excellent. Now, there are some blemishes in the plastic and whatnot, but what can you do, right? That's just the way it is. So let's see, we can put together and build this and go from there. Get all the parts out of the bags. I love that head. That printing on that head is really, really good. So even on the chest plate too. So, all right. So we got all our parts and pieces.